Well, would you look at that? We're back for another video. Let's fucking go. As promised, I'm out here working on the OBS again today. Give you guys that content. Next up for the OBS is to take the front suspension off. It's gonna be taking this brake line off the caliper. This bolt, that bolt, I think. We're just going with it.
But did you die?
I decided the next step I'm gonna take is getting this exhaust off at both manifolds and the alternator and what it's wired to. One bolt there, one bolt there.
We going all night, let the party rock.
All right, the exhaust is out. Next thing I'm gonna do is get this loom out. That's it for today's clip. Better believe there's gonna be more tomorrow. We got the exhausts out. Got the starter like unhooked from the alternator and wiring assembly and stuff, and got that out. Tomorrow I'm gonna remove some back bracketry and maybe this intake manifold. This bracket. I'll friggin' see y'all tomorrow.